Hi there, in this video we are going to talk about how we can reuse our PowerPoint slide from one PowerPoint presentation into another PowerPoint presentation. As you can see now, I have this PowerPoint template and I have another PowerPoint with organization chart, and I want to insert this organization chart into the PowerPoint template. So I am going to reuse this slide into another PowerPoint presentation. For this purpose, I am going to insert on after slide 3. I am going to select between slide 3 and 4. You can see there is a line appearing, and I am going to add new slide, and at the bottom you can see reuse slide. So I am going to select reuse slide. I have already selected that organization chart. If you want to select, so browse your organization chart. So I am going on desktop. You can see here is organization chart. Open. You can see my organization chart is appearing. So as you will select this one, then you will see that your slide is used from one PowerPoint presentation to another PowerPoint presentation. In this way, you can reuse slide from one PowerPoint presentation into another PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching.